Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Fe. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Fe. In our last video, we covered the letter Ghain. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The latter Fe, we can say Fe and Qaf have the same category, the same style. Fe have the sound of Fa in English, Fa. Initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this. Final joint is this one, final unjoined is this one. Let's, in a words, we have Fe. For example, parish. Parish. Parish means carpet. Everything like rag, carpet, everything we can say parish. Parish. The parish der kolay day. The parish der kolay day. It means this carpet is very beautiful. This rag is very beautiful. Yeah. Do mean this parish carpet der very kolay beautiful day is. The parish der kolay day. This carpet is very beautiful. For another sentence we have Murme Nawai Parish Rover. Murme Nawai Parish Rover. It means my mother brought a new carpet. Mur mother. Me means my. Murme my mother. Nawai new parish carpet rover brought. Murme Nawai Parish Rover. My mother brought a new carpet. Look, my means zaman. But we can say, the complete form I must say like this one, Zamamur Nawai Parish Rover. But instead of my, we can use this may. That like showing the sentence that this, belongs to me. Like the mother belonged to me. Yeah, this one is the short way of making this sentence. More में नवाई parish रावण. My mother brought a new carpet. The parish pakawam. The parish pakawam. It means I'm cleaning the carpet. The means I. Parish carpet. Pakawam cleaning. Look, pak means clean. Pakawam making the sentence, like like in English taking ing form, like already doing the work, cleaning. And this meme is showing the personal ending of am. It means, like for example, if you say like you cleaning the carpet, then you must say zap tapash park away. Look, park awam will be changed to park away. I means the park means in Pashto we say clean park. Then like this one is called personal ending like park awam, park away, park away. Like showing like I am. I am cleaning the carpet. Zapash pakawam. Pay in another word. For example, you have pabrika. Pabrika. Pabrika means factory. The pabrika jame juravi. The pabrika jame juravi. This factory makes clothes. The means again this. Pabrika factory. Jame clothes. Juravi makes. The pabrika jame juravi. This factory makes clothes. زه په فابریکه کې کار کوم. زه په فابریکه کې کار کوم. It means I work in the factory. Again, زه means I, په فابریکه کې in the factory. په means in. This and کې both of the meanings in. په فابریکه کې in the factory. کار کوم work. زه په فابریکه کې کار کوم. I work in the factory. فابریکه ډیره غټه ده. فابریکه ډیره غټه ده. The factory is very big. فابریکه factory ډیره very غټه big ده is. Paprika, dera, gata, da. The factory is very big. In another word, like for example, we have football. Football. Football is football. Soccer. The football خوښوم. The football خوښوم. It means I like football. The means I. Football. خوښوم like. The football خوښوم. I like football. فوټبال یوه مشهوره لوبه ده. فوټبال یوه مشهوره لوبه ده. Football is a popular game. Football یوه مشهوره popular لوبه game. Football یوه مشهوره لوبه ده. Football is a popular game. Look, football means football یوه مشهوره popular لوبه game that is. Look, by this reason یوه and مشهوره take the small a like this one and that because لوبه is a feminine noun. زما ورور د فوټبال لوبغاړی دی. زما ورور د فوټبال لوبغاړی دی. My brother is a football player. زما ورور my brother د فوټبال لوبغاړی player دی is. زما ورور د فوټبال لوبغاړی دی. My brother is a football player. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Parish carpet. دا پرش ډېر ښکلی دی. دا پرش ډېر ښکلی دی. This carpet is very beautiful. مور مې نوی پرش راوړ. مور مې نوی پرش راوړ. My mother brought a new carpet. زه پرش پاکوم. زه پرش پاکوم. I am cleaning the carpet. فابریکه. factory. دا فابریکه جامې جوړوي. دا فابریکه جامې جوړوي. This factory makes clothes. زه په فابریکه کې کار کوم. زه په فابریکه کې کار کوم. I work in the factory. فابریکه ډېره غټه ده. فابریکه ډېره غټه ده. The factory is very big. Football. زه فوټبال خوښوم. زه فوټبال خوښوم. I like football. فوټبال یوه مشهوره لوبه ده. فوټبال یوه مشهوره لوبه ده. Football is a popular game. زما ورور د فوټبال لوبغاړی دی. زما ورور د فوټبال لوبغاړی دی. My brother is a football player. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.